Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question rectangle area. The question number is 223 and the question statement is given the coordinates of two rectilinear rectangles in a 2D plane, return the total area covered by the two rectangles. The first rectangle is defined by its bottom left corner and its top right corner. The second rectangle is defined by its bottom left corner and its top right corner. So basically they will give us two coordinates for each rectangle. It is diagonally opposite. So first one is this one, second one is this one, third one is this one, and fourth one is this one. We can find other coordinates, like this one will be -3, 4, right? So we can find other coordinates. Now we need to find the areas covered by these two triangles. Now the length of this triangle is A, this one is B. Length of the triangle A is, it is 3, right? And this is also 3, so total 6. Length is 6 and this one is 4, right? So 4. The area of the first triangle is 24. 6 into 4, 24. Now for the second triangle, length is 9 and width is 2 plus 1, 3. So the area of second triangle is 27. But this area we have covered it twice, so we need to subtract the area of this rectangle. So the length of this rectangle is 3 and the height of this rectangle is 2, so we will return so we will subtract -6, so it will be 24 plus 21, it is 45. We need to return 45, right? You must have understood the question part. Now I will explain you the logic. Now I am giving you three conditions which can happen in this question. The first one is our rectangle can be like this, right? And the second one is it can be like this, and third one is so here in this condition we need to subtract this area, right? Here we do not need to subtract anything, here we do not need to subtract anything, and we know we can find these areas simply by multiplying L into W, right? Now how we can find this area? For finding this border we can do maximum of this line A and B. Maximum of A and B will be this line, right? And for finding this line we can do minimum of this and D, C and D. Minimum of C and D will be this line, and same we can find this one and we can subtract the area, right? But if we will do maximum of this B and A, it will be this one, and minimum will be this one, and if we will subtract, then this value will be get subtracted and our answer will be wrong, right? So we need a condition here. Our left is this one, right? Here the maximum of A and B was our left, So left will be this one and our right will be this one. If our right will be less than the left, we will simply do, we will make r to the left. R will be now our left. So left will be the same value. R and L will be the same value and our rectangle's area will be 0. Now let's write the code. Now for finding the first area of the first rectangle, this is A. We are doing ax2 minus ax1. This one 3 minus 3 for finding the length here in the line number 4, and we are multiplying with the height, that is ay2 minus ay1. r1 is the area of the first triangle and r2 is the area of second triangle, that is bx2 minus bx1, it is our length, and by2 minus b1, it is our width, right? Now the line number 6 is left side of this repeated rectangle will be the maximum of bx1, this line, call it a, and ax1, this line. The maximum value will be the left side, right? If there will be another case in which the rectangle will be like this, so in that condition maximum value will be the maximum of these two lines, so this will be our L. Now here it is our L, right? Now right will be, first we will check, right will be the minimum of this one and this one, ax2 bx2, this one and this one. So minimum is this one, so right will be this one. Here the minimum is this one, right will be this one, right? Now what we are doing, we are subtracting this condition, because here it is fine, but in this condition what will happen, we will reduce this area also, we will subtract this area also in our answer, and we will get wrong answer. So what we are doing, if our right is greater than L, if this is greater than L, then our right is right. Like in this condition our right is greater than L, so this line is this line R will be right, otherwise R will be L. So if R and L will be same, our the area will be 0 for this rectangle, right? Now we will do same for the top and down, and we will return the r1 plus r2 minus the area of this repeated rectangle. Run this code. It's running. Thank you.